In the world of software development, traditional methods often struggled to keep up with rapidly changing demands. Projects faced delays, budgets ballooned, and frustration mounted. Something had to change. In 2001, a group of 17 software developers met to discuss alternative approaches. They sought a better way to build software, one that embraced flexibility and collaboration. This meeting gave birth to the Agile Manifesto, a document outlining a new philosophy for software development. The manifesto prioritized individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. These four values formed the foundation of Agile, emphasizing adaptability and customer focus over rigid adherence to plans. Agile methodologies acknowledge that change is inevitable in software development. Instead of resisting change, Agile embraces it, allowing teams to adapt quickly to new information and evolving requirements. The Agile Manifesto provides a high-level overview of the Agile philosophy. Underpinning these values are 12 principles that guide the implementation of Agile methodologies. These principles emphasize customer satisfaction through early and continuous software delivery, welcoming changing requirements even late in development, delivering working software frequently, with a preference for shorter timescales, close daily cooperation between business people and developers, motivated individuals supported by a trusting and supportive environment, face-to-face conversation as the most efficient and effective method of communication, working software as the primary measure of progress, sustainable development, maintaining a constant pace indefinitely, continuous attention to technical excellence and good design, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Self-organizing teams that are best equipped to determine the most effective ways of working, and regular reflection and adaptation to improve effectiveness. These principles promote a collaborative, iterative, and customer-centric approach to software development, ensuring projects remain aligned with business needs. Scrum is a popular Agile framework that provides a structured approach to managing and completing work. It emphasizes teamwork, collaboration, and iterative progress. Scrum is characterized by a set of roles, events, and artifacts that work together to facilitate the development process. Roles include the product owner, who represents the customer and defines the product vision, the Scrum Master, who ensures the Scrum process is followed, and the development team, responsible for building the product. Events include the sprint, a time-boxed iteration of work, typically 2 to 4 weeks, sprint planning, defining the work for the sprint, daily Scrum, a daily stand-up meeting to track progress, sprint review, demonstrating the work completed in the sprint, and sprint retrospective, identifying areas for improvement. Artifacts include the product backlog, a prioritized list of features and requirements, the sprint backlog, a subset of the product backlog selected for the sprint, and the increment, the working software produced at the end of each sprint. Scrum provides a clear framework for managing work, promoting transparency, and enabling teams to adapt to changing requirements. Section 4, Kanban, Visualizing Workflow for Enhanced Efficiency. Kanban, meaning signboard in Japanese, focuses on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. It originated in manufacturing but is now used by software teams. Kanban boards have columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Tasks move across the board as they progress. Key principles include visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. Visualizing workflow helps identify bottlenecks. Limiting work in progress helps focus on completing tasks. Manage flow to create a smooth and efficient process. Continuous improvement enhances efficiency and productivity. Kanban improves team collaboration and delivers value faster. Section 5. Beyond the Basics. Exploring other Agile approaches. Scrum and Kanban are popular Agile methodologies, but there are others with unique strengths. Extreme Programming, or XP, focuses on practices like test-driven development and pair programming. It promotes close collaboration and rapid feedback loops. Lean software development aims to eliminate waste and deliver fast. Crystal methodologies prioritize people and interactions. The choice of Agile methodology depends on project needs and context. Understanding these approaches helps teams deliver high-quality software efficiently.